Well, today we will speak about very tempting question, how bad your imaging had to be still measured. Quite not trivial one. An intention is to show that even quite poor imaging still give us valuable information. For sure, we are not in purpose making imaging looks poor. It could be small dose to avoid shrinkage or very large field of view where primary electron beam density sufficiently low. It could be anything, just name it. Today's example is an extreme, used for demonstration of the principle. You can hardly find image which could not be processed by Unimes Hub with high confidence. Let's measure out of curiosity published paper regarding thinning of EUV resists, as would be required for high NA due to depth of focus. That leads to many stochastic defects appearing after etch while not showing up after develop. Image, 24 nanometers pitch MOR, 16 nanometers film thickness. Link in post. Let's save ADI images separately and try to measure them in 3 different modes. Original, pixel resolution 245x208, denoised, pixel resolution 245x208, and restored 3 times open parenthesis 735 times 490 close parenthesis. Later we will compare results. Here comes original and denoised versions. Main issue that due to extremely thin line size, 3 to 4 pixels, pattern recognition is not capable to detect all lines. For restored images, line size 9 pixels and higher, pattern recognition already stable in detecting of required lines. Pixel size in this recipe 3 times smaller. Rest of parameters are the same. Let's compare results. They are quite amazing. Poor quality image from the post demonstrates highly correlative trends versus published baseline. And after restoration, this trend even higher when Unimes Hub capable to measure all required features. We are not speaking about practical importance of this case. It is just demonstration of capabilities of Unimes Hub to treat and measure almost any image with diminished quality through denoising or restoration. Do not forget that charging, shrinkage, large FOV, and other bottlenecks could be avoided and images measured without millions of dollars in CapEx spending. Thank you for attention.